Shalom, this is Doug with Douglas V Amateur Radio and more. Got a new radio today, an IC7300, and did some reorganization and some wire repairs on things and organized it. I had a bunch of that wire that was sitting out there, minus the big wire stuck in there, as well as some of the wire for the 891 that was up there. So I figured I'd take it out of there and just kind of clean it up a little bit behind there. Still in the process of cleaning things up, organizing it, but it's a little bit cleaner. And what I'm going to do is, don't know if I'm going to adapt, modify this cabinet or just build a new one. But I'm going to, with some of the lessons I've learned, I'm going to put it back on this one, or the new one. From now on, I'm just going to start putting backing on there, whether it's a 1/4 to 3/4 inch, I don't know, but just so that I clean it up, keeps it looking nice. Just learn the lessons on organization and why things are done for cabinetry and shelving. But just learning as I go. Definitely not a professional at this. But as far as the 891, I think I'm going to be going between it and the 705 for portable operations, SOTA, POTA, whatever I happen to be working on. The thing I like about having the 705 is the fact that I have both of it on there, so it's easier to switch without having to set up another radio. So I'll have to learn about that. Since the 705 is all band, or at least most bands hams use anyway. I doubt it has 220. No, I don't think it does, because not too many people use that. And so that's why I've got this radio. It's a 220 only, 220 band only radio. But this is just a quick update. I might get another one out Friday, I might not. But I'll learn this radio, watch some videos. And I do need to get a USB-A to USB-B cord, or find the one that's in here. Find one of the many that I have in here in the junk drawers. But after all that, that's about it. Any suggestions would help. Have a great week, great weekend, 73, and shalom.